I'm kind of curious how this will look. So this is the GoPro. I don't want y'all to get it twisted, right? This is the GoPro. Man, this is beautiful. Need to put the shutter speed a little higher. So remember, this is the GoPro. Pretty close. I'm gonna do this one in 3K, like 120 frames per second. I hope the little caterpillars and focus. See how this goes. Man, we got a lot of cool animals to check out right here. Check out the ants. Can we film the termites or whatever they are? See how big they are. Check it out, guys. That's a big one. Okay, so I got lucky, man. Like, this is the first one. Typical. They walk around places that are wet, dark, you know, kind of walls and all that. Let's bring them quickly to a terrarium.